Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add a shared folder on Synology NAS. So to get started with a quick and straightforward guide on how to add a shared folder on Synology NAS. So to get started, the first step is to log into your DSM. So open a browser and go to your NAS IP address or quick connect URL, then sign in with your admin account. Then on the step 2, you have to open your control panel. So click on the control panel icon from the main desktop. Then on the step 3, you have to go to the shared folder settings. So in the control panel, click shared folder under the file sharing section. Then you have to click create. So at the top, click the create button to start the setup wizard. Then after that, on the step 5, you have to name your shared folder. So enter a name and optional description for the folder, then choose a volume, so if prompted, where the folder will be stored. Then on the step 6, you have to configure the folder settings. So decide whether to enable the recycle bin, data checksum for advanced data integrity, and encryption, which is optional but useful for sensitive data. Then on the step 5, you have to set permission. So assign access right for users and group, so which is to read/write or write only or no access. Then on the step 8, you have to finish. So once it's finished, click apply to create the folder. And that's how you can simply add a shared folder on Synology NAS. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.